An almost unbelievable play at a college football game happened when one of the players managed to score a touchdown and avoid getting tackled by almost the entire opposite team. Even though birds are generally not known to be scary, this bird might take the place for being the most scary type of bird due to the bill clattering display they make during nesting season. A really bizarre footage to watch comes from a whale shark gliding through bioluminescent algae, and it looks straight out of an other universe. A crazy demonstration of skill and special awareness from a truck driver happened when he had to squeeze the truck through a very small underground tunnel. An incredible footage to watch comes from the SpaceX team, who attached a GoPro inside a fairing from a Falcon 9 flight that captured some incredible views from space while it fell back to Earth. A crazy footage to watch comes from the Gulf of Alaska, where the Pacific and Indian Oceans meet, but they never mix with each other due to the difference of water density and temperature, and the color variations of water in the merging point makes it mesmerizing to watch. A heart-stopping moment for the Japanese team at the IAAF World Relays happened during the third part of the race when there was a handover fumble, and in a 1 in a million moment they managed to not let the baton drop.
For a lot of nations it's vertical these days, and this is incredible how it's actually batted on, and how Kuru has the presence of mind to still...
Okay, I am pretty sure this wasn't supposed to be happen, but a man actually managed to win the gold bar challenge in Virginia Times Square. And well, basically you have to be able to squeeze your hand in a gold bar through a very small circle, and well, the bar he managed to take out weighs 7 kilograms, which would be worth around $400,000. In order to remain airborne longer, some aircrafts have very complex systems that allow them to be able to receive fuel mid-air, and well, it's amazing to watch. A video that seems unreal is one of a giant squid egg, and well, the reason it's so large is because it's been inflated with water to protect the eggs from predators. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys like my style of commentary on videos. Be sure to give a like if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.